right, Toosters. In 2 bits. What my boy doing? What my boy doing?
Put the power in here, man.
Well, my boy puts power wonders in this thing, man. My boy put them power wonders in this thing, man. 69 Cutlass, man. Y'all know we call this one here Young Jock. 69 Cutlass with the bucket seats. That right. So, like you say, man, he came in for a nice little keen, mild custom interior. And boy, we slaying that. Getting it all back together now. He got all new power windows, all new glass. So my boy around here is installing all of the glass in the power window kits now. Getting them things installed. Say it ain't too hard, is it, around?
It ain't too hard.
Ain't too bad. So we got.
What's this? Stick around, I'll show you some.
Stick around, huh? Might show him a little shine.
Check the adjustment.
Line them back up.
Yes, sir.
And like you say, on this one here, man, we use all new relic. New relic for the power windows. What you gotta adjust there?
The top adjustment, push it back some. Rub hitting the stopper.
The
Actually, the door panel's gonna help push it back. So we want it kind of tight.
But wanted to clear too, ain't it?
Right. So we can push back some more. Over the hump. Something like that. Back.
Oh, like I say, man, we did an all red with a little black trimming, man. Y'all will see it in a few, man, on the next episode. And like you say, he got that Google screen in here. Sheesh. Pretty dope ride, man. Like you say, man, you can tell the customer took pride in the build. So it's a super nice car, man, top and bottom. Nice engine. Super nice engine, man. Plenty power, sound great. You know, I definitely wasn't disappointed with the sound on it. He brought it down from VA. Y'all see? Y'all see what he rolling on? Them American racing. But he got the stance just right, though. The stance is just right for this thing. You know, it don't really need no big wheels when you get a little low to the ground, man. But he's super nice, man. Like you say, 2 P3s in the back. We did a custom trunk. We got a little battery and stuff in the back, so we'll be charging all of that battery up to full capacity before we put the cover and stuff on. Like I said, he already had the system and all of that stuff already done, so we just enhanced it and put our little funky stuff to it. And like you say, this one here, he called this one Beatrice. Beatrice. Rest in peace to his mama, man. So, of course, you know, we had to throw a little something special in there for his mama, of course. But once he get these windows in, man, we'll be able to put the back seat in, the door panels on, and be able to pull it out, wash it up, get it back spick and span. And I can get ready to call him because I know he is super duper ready. He is super duper ready. So y'all know if he ready, we ready. And boy, I can't continue to tell him, yeah, you know. Like you say, man, we've been working hard and trying to get this thing, get it together. and still give him something dope and nice, man. You know, like I say, I know he's super anxious, but you know, we still had to give him that touch. Still had to have some funk to it. Still had to have some flair to it. You know, we can't send him out half ice. Clean up the wires. We had to do a lot of that, cleaning up the wires, man. Like I said, we was waiting on the power window kits to come. Now the adjustment is getting these windows together where they work perfect. And so on and so forth, man. Y'all know how bills go, man. Man, if they would all go perfect, man, we'll have them all done in a week or two. Trust me, we don't get paid till the car leave. So it does us no good to look at your car. Trust me. We don't get paid till it leave. What is it? Oh, right there.
Yeah.
So like you say, man, that's about that on that, man. Like you say, man, y'all stick around for my boy Young Jock finna drop in a minute. Whip of the week, whip of the week. Boy, this thing here finna be some pressure too. This thing finna be some pressure too. I ain't seen no 69 Cutlass out here finna have this much leakage with it. But hey, we on his ass, man. Y'all lay around for it, man. BA in the house one time for me. I'll be back in a minute, maybe two. But in the meantime, in between time, I'll catch you on the flip side. Sheesh.